Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys an unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper. And I had a couple more fun designs I wanted to share with you guys that I found from the 100 yen store Seidia, which sells paper that's made by the company Kyowa. And this particular version here is like a, the Gradation is what it's called, of kind of paper pattern design. And instead of being your traditional kind of you know, where the corners fade to the center, or you have sort of a circular pattern or something along those lines, it actually is sort of this cooler sort of, they call it dream, but it sort of looks like, you know, something you see under a microscope if you were looking at things. So it kind of looks a little weird but cool at the same time. Maybe sort of looks like giraffe's pattern, but blurred from far away a little bit, if you know what I mean. Especially this one, that kind of reminds me of that. Usually this series only has 4 color choices, but this one has 6 this time, so that's kind of cool. I'll just show you guys really quick what it looks like. It's meant to be a Chiyogami, so it's a patterned paper that you can then use for any kind of project. And these papers are always a really good, pretty good quality. They have a nice crispness to them to make for really good folding. So, but this is sort of what the pattern looks like. It's asymmetrical, so it's not going to look, you know, perfect when you fold it up. It's going to have this little different kind of edge to it. And certainly if you're trying to make something and you're making a lot of many and you want them to look exactly the same, you'll have to take care to make sure that each time you start folding that they start from the same way, because they are all slightly different. So I mean, they're all asymmetrical, I should say. So this one has sort of a yellow background with pink kind of dots on it. And this one has a yellow background with green and pink dots on it. This one has an orange background with, a yellow background with orange and red. Very similar, but yet different. They a little different there. Yellow background with green and blue, and a yellow background with blue and sort of a turquoise color, and a yellow background with green and brown. So all of them share that similarness of having the yellow background, but then all of the other colors are different. So you could easily use a lot of these to put them together to make a really fun kind of kusudama, or to make a cool sort of, you know, like one of those modular boxes that Tomoko Fusei makes. I always like using these kinds of fun patterns with her work. That would make some pretty cool finished results, I imagine. But definitely some fun, different kind of paper if you're interested. And it is only 100 yen, and then, you know, 8 yen tax right now. So 108 yen for 48 sheets of paper, and it's a pretty nice, good quality Chiyogami, and the pattern is definitely unique. So I would recommend it if you guys are interested in finding some new different kinds of patterns. So if you're visiting Japan, you have to go to 100 yen stores. That has to be like at the top of your list of things to do, because there's so many great things available there, and it's such a good deal. And the quality of a 100 yen store in Japan is pretty high, so I would really recommend it. You're going to find much better stuff than you would normally find like in a dollar store. So definitely check it out if you guys are here, and I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come, so look for those. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!